Here is a new compact N-scale layout. I call this my adult theme because it's based on the design preservation model set of buildings called Night Life. It's got a theater, burlesque house, the bottoms up bar and grill, and the Blue Note lounge. And it's populated by some Noch Ladies of the night and assorted other characters. Got a little policeman down there with his dog talking to one of the ladies. Got some vehicles around the layout. We have a farm stand here for the Pistol Pastures Farm. They claim to be the best produce in 9mm. It's got a road crossing in back with movable gates and flashing lights. We'll see that in a bit. And it's got a furniture store over here specializing in chairs, the Shack of Sit. A dilapidated mine, coal mine, is the Old King Coal mine. Mary Ole is the sole proprietor. It's got a donkey steam engine in back with a mechanic working on it, and it's got a little coal truck taking on a load. The track itself is a folded figure 8 with a separate siding for storage. The switch is electronically controlled and is monitored by a door signal here. The end of the siding is protected with a diode so that the engine won't run off, it'll stop, and it can only be backed out. It's got a sound system that plays both steam engine or diesel at your choice, and the horn is appropriate for your selection of locomotive type. The sounds actually are switched to a speaker in the tunnel when the train goes in the tunnel and come back out with the front speaker, so it sounds like the sound is actually coming from the locomotive. The controls for the sound system are under this movable mountain right here where the coal mine sits. That's the layout. Let's see it run. Here's a little Cato NW2 diesel. We'll let him make a pass around. You can see the gates and flashers work. Power on.